Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
Amazing winner, Stefan Havlik from Slovakia. And ladies and gentlemen, now in order to present the trophy in the center, the one and only, the Governor, Arnold Schwarzenegger!
And so it is great to have all of you here again. And this is of course now the 24th Arnold's Classic. Next year we have the 25th. And we have people from 82 nations here competing in bodybuilding and amateur bodybuilding, women bodybuilding, professional bodybuilding and powerlifting and 45 other sports. So I'm glad to be here and I'm glad that all of you are here. And I want to say thank you to the great athletes for their great performance. And now let's go and get to the trophy. And with me, of course, is the president of the International Federation of Bodybuilding, Mr. Santoya, who is holding the trophy right now. It's great to have you here also. Thank you very much. And Mario, who is filming here today for Extra. And they're covering bodybuilding, so let's give them a big hand for being here today and putting on national television.